Okay, good morning or good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to our live. Tayo dadako na sa ating second game ngayong araw. Our Damascola International School Women's Volleyball versus the LCLC. Sa ating high school volleyball tournament dito sa Paprisa League 2025. Let's go DIS. Good luck. Shoutout po sa ating mga coaches. Ayan. And to all our parents na nanonood sa ating live, magandang hapon po sa bawat isa. Our game 2 for today, Damascola International School versus the LCLC. With the blue and white shirt. First ball para sa LCLC. Tignan natin ang depensa natin. Not over. Puntos para sa atin. Damascola International School. Asistio on the service area. Another service ace by Portia Asistio. Oopsie. Counted ba? No counted? Not counted. Asistio on the service. Oy, not over. It's a service ace by Portia Asistio. Go. Another service ace. Another one service ace again by Portia Asistio. Second shot. Ooh, another service ace. Another service ace once again. Para kay Portia. Nakaka-anim na. Let's go, Portia. Free ball. Asistio to Banal. Outside. Sayang, kala ko tumama din. Puntos para sa LCLC. Let's go. Now will receive. Oopsie. Points para sa LCLC. Not over. K2 ang ating talaan. Oopsie. Good serve by Sophia. And 2. Nice one. Pasok na pasok. And the service area once again. De Los Reyes. Sophia. Good serve. Ooh, it does. Not. Oy, good. Good pa pala yun. Ay na, si Banal. What a quick attack by Banal. Kala nyo ha, di nakita. Ay mga dito, LCLC. Correction po tayo. This is not La Consolacion. Oopsie. Another service ace. Again, service ace once again. Official score po natin is 14-2. Good serve by Sophia. Not over. Inside. Miscommunication. Okay lang, bawi. 16-3. Outside. Let's go, Ima. Inside! Let's go! 18-3 ang ating talaan. Ima Banal on the service area. Ooh, another inside. Ima Banal. Oopsie. Over. Whoa! Iba na ang matangkad kay Espinosa. Ima. Uy! Naman. Kapul si Espinosa. Evangelista will receive. Papalo si Kayla. Oopsie. Lin. Assist to Lin. Nakatawid. Tatabakro. Banal. Assist to Lin. Oh, inside. Nice shot para kay Lin. 21-5. Shout out. Sophia enjoying the game. And the team. Oh, not over. Puntos para sa LC. Oh, good. Hela, drop ball. Outside. Lin will receive. Oh. Buenos Reyes coming in. Service area, jersey number 20 or number 3, Espinosa. Let's go. Outside. Oopsie, not over. Service error. On the service area, jersey number 16, Lin. Let's go, Lin. Ooh, inside. It's a match point. Last one for the win to get the first set. Let's go, Lin. Lin on the serve. Oh! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first set. Congratulations to our Dumascal International School volleyball team. Get the first set. Let's go. Hey. Okay, our final score is 25-9. Panalo po sa first set ang ating team. Second set coming up. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang LCLC. Let's go. Second set tayo. Let's go, Lady Badgers. Or Lady Honey Badgers. On the service area, jersey number 24. Ima Banal. Service ace. Banal on the service. Service ace again. Para kay Banal. Inside. Another service ace ay Banal. Let's go, Ima. Kayla will receive. Papalo. Free ball para sa LCLC. Nigay. Banal, Asisio to Espinosa. Clara quick hack by Espinosa. Banal, service ace again. 6-0. Outside points sa LCLC. Evangelista will receive. Asisio to Kayla. Naitawid ng LC. Ay na, Asisio to Lynn. Nice shot by Lynn. 7-1 ang ating talaan. Let's go. On the service area, Kayla Pingris. Let's go, Kayla. Oopsie. Service error. Let's go, Kayla. Okay lang yan, bawi. Lynn will receive. Asisio with a drop. Ayun na. Naitawid. Lim. Asisio to Espinosa. Nice shot. Ay, Espinosa. Substitution. And the service area, Espinosa. Ooh, service ace. Espinosa on the service. Ooh, service out. It's a check ball or service ace para kay Espinosa. Official scores 10-2. Oopsie, not over. Espinosa on the service. Number 5 outside. 12-2. Inside. Oh, sorry. Outside. Kayla will receive. Asisio to Sophia. Nice shot by Sophia. (13-3). Lynn on the service. Inside. Let's go. Lynn on the service. Oopsie. Not over. Fisher score 15-3. Lynn in the serve. Oopsie. Not over. Timeout. LC. Official score is 16-3 in favor pa rin sa ating Dome Escola International School volleyball team. Okay, back to the ball game. Lean on the service area. Jersey number 16. Naitawid. Banal was there. Asisto to Kayla. Uy, not over. Puntos para sa atin. 17-3. Lean on the service. Naitawid. Evangelista. Asisio to Lean. Inside. Lean on the service. Good serve. Ayan na. Ooh, outside. Tigan lang, hindi ba na? Dahil alam niya. Outside na. The service area, Lean. Let's go, Lean. Good serve. Ooh. Another service ace. 20-3. Okay, back to the ball game. On the service area, Lean. Ooh. Ano nangyari? Wala pa daw pito. Points? Wala pa. Wala pa daw po. Lean on the service. Oh, it's a service ace again. Lean on the service. Tumama na po sa taas. Another service ace para sa atin. 22-3. Let's go, Lean. Oopsie, another service ace. Warning, warning, warning. Dalawa na lang bampo at makukuha na natin ang ating ikalawang panalo ngayong araw. Let's go, Lean. Lean on the service. Oopsie. Not over. Let's go, Lean. Okay lang yan. Bawi tayo. Okay. Depensa naman tayo. Oopsie! Not over. It's a match point. Portia on the service for the win. Ayan na. Oh! Congratulations once again sa ating Dumascola International School Women's Volleyball Team. And a nice game para sa LCLC. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. What a nice game from both team. And congratulations once again sa ating Dome Escola International School Women's Volleyball. And a nice game sa LCLC. Alright. Muli, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng nanonood na ating live at sa mga nag-share. And also sa mga parents from our team. Congratulations! Kita-kita po tayo sa ating susunod pang live. Maraming salamat po. At dito na po tayo magtatapos hanggang sa muli. And God bless everyone and keep safe. Maraming salamat po.